So I thought I would show you how I use my long arm rails for my ironing board station. So as you can see, I've got my long arm set up, and across these two bars, so we've got the first bar here in the front, and then we have the second bottom bar in the back, and then we do have the other bar which is on top. What you're going to do is take a measurement from this first bar to the second bar. You want your board to be longer than that measurement so it won't fall off when you are using it. After you have your measurement, you're going to decide kind of like how long you want this to be. Before, I had kind of a smaller board and it worked just fine, but I recently got a new cover. This is the Ironmatic cover, and it can lay on any surface and you can use it as your ironing station. So because of that, I used the length from this, and then I added some inches, I think about 6 or 7 inches on the side, just so I had a spot to hold my iron, as well as like my clapper and my spray. So then this stuff doesn't have to sit on my ironing area, and I actually really like that a lot. After you have your board cut, just make sure that you have your edges and the top and the bottom sanded. If you want, you can go ahead and wrap this and make this an ironing board using batting and fabric, and I will link to that tutorial on the blog if you want to check out how you do that. But that's a quick look at my ironing station that I put across my long arm bars. Now, when I'm not, when I do have a quilt on here, I will have to remove the wood board, and so you just want to take in consideration like the weight of the board as well as the length of the board, and make sure that you're able to move it easily, getting it up and down and placing it on your bars. So don't make it too heavy or too long or too cumbersome. Otherwise, it's going to be a real pain to move it up and down. I have used this for years, and I've never had an issue with it bowing my bars or anything like that. They're super strong, they're metal, they're solid, and so they can definitely handle the weight of the board. Plus it's spanned out, you know, across the bar and not just in a small section. I hope you found this helpful, and would love to know if you have ever used your long arm bars for your ironing station as well.